Good afternoon to this second edition of Alpha Daily FX Market Analysis. As we didn't find anything during today's morning before London, we're gonna go over exactly the same as today, but this time for the New York Open, right? So let's check our last look. Let's like today's analysis, and there we go. Okay. So what's left? We have 2:30 p.m. That's in 50 minutes. CAD news and 4 p.m. US services. All right, let's check them. What exactly are we talking about? So we have balance of trade. All right. And then we have ISM services PMI. But that could inject some healthy volatility into markets. Let's check what happened today. So the dollar actually did went up. So we were right in wanting to short it, but for me it's still looking pretty bearish. It can go to like this and then boom. That's what I'm expecting. Maybe as far as something like this, boom. But not much more. I don't see it going above this level. Anyway, so the dollar did went up. Let's check now what changed it here in the heat maps. Okay, so the dollar is strong. The pound gained some strength. So let's see how it was earlier today. We had the dollar, right? And the pound, yeah, only against USD and JPY that wasn't that strong. So JPY fell all across the board. CHF still weak, only against New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is the weakest except against the JPY. So JPY, which was one of the strongest, now is among the weakest of the day. I like that much more, considering commercials are shorting it. This we're gonna remove. Now we have these three, right? Let's go here and okay, let's replace this. This one. So NZD still weak, USD getting strong. Let's go and check if there's any new setup on NZD USD. All right, NZD USD. Boom. So this short. Now look. Now we have an interesting supply zone. Let's check here. Yeah, actually I like it now. I really like it now. It seems way stronger. So where would be my short? Right here. Way better, way better. Yes, way better. We are 5 pips away. Look, to be honest, I really like this one. I'm gonna put this one right there. 9 pips. There's our trade, ladies and gents. 15-minute setup. Protected by the 1 hour time frame, and let's check the 4 hour. Right, not that protected, but now if we go to the 15 minutes DXY, DXY, that would be something like price here doing the following. No, why is this? It would be price doing exactly this. Boom, boom. And I totally see it. Totally see this happening. Okay, let's go. Let's set that trade. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let's move this right here. Today I'm gonna do one more stream, one more call, right? It's gonna be about our swing positions, as we're not gonna be having a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday daily market analysis because I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna share my current swing approach and the swing positions that I'm holding and why I'm holding them, right? They're not positions yet, they're orders. Okay, so we're gonna set the orders, and if you want, you can join. Else, you can just watch it and understand the logic behind swing trading. Okay. All right, guys. This is the trade. Those are the parameters. Let me do a screen cap. Copy image. Now we go here. Pop. New York. Actually, you know what? Oh yeah. This trade. All right. No, didn't like that. Okay. These are the levels. I'm gonna put this position. There we go. Let me fix this a little bit. And we go here. This one. There we go. So I have I really like this trade. How we're gonna manage it? You can adjust the stop loss to break even at 1 hour. I don't think I'm gonna do it because I see a good defense, a good solid defense against price action with these supply zones. If it goes all the way to my stop loss, it's pretty simple. The idea was invalidated, and it's part of the game, right? It's the price of playing the game. All right. What else, guys? What else? Nothing else. Let me just go back to our daily analysis and let me put this one. I want to see if I open as I. No, it's opening this version, right? I haven't saved this version, but it's in this version. Okay. New York update. So this is, I'm gonna put New York update. New York update and London. I'm gonna put London as it was earlier, right? So we had a record of both, how it was London and how it is at the moment. USD and JPY, and these two were not, and there we go. That was during New York update. There we go. JPY was strong. Now JPY is weak. That looks really good. Let me, yeah, a little smaller. So it's not that much of. Okay. Boom. And boom. All right. There we have order flow. So London, New York, uptrending, going to all right. Then we have here perfect. So far so good, guys. All right, guys, be an alpha, don't overtrade, follow your plan, and see you later for the swing session. Have a good one. Bye bye.